Okay, so I just wanted to show to everyone, like, this is low tech, and then I wanted to do an update onto the actual screencastify. Let me just focus on that. So some of you are having issues with screencastify. That's like really a lot. And I would say, if you missed that part when I was doing my session, screencastify is awesome if you're showing something on your computer. Like for me, it's good for software. That's definitely. But if you're doing some demos of math, I think, or something like that, my other video I'm going to share with you that I did yesterday with my very expensive setup, please check the other link. But now, right now, screencastify is overwhelmed with all the requests. So as you can see over here, already this morning, this will be my second update that I'm doing in the second day, so this week. So if you click onto this, go to screencastify, probably gonna say yes. There's new permission and all this kind of stuff that's going on. Then after that, you should have access to it. You see now it's signing you to Google. You see, like, you see that, the good that is you're seeing that. Let's do that again. Let's see. Oh, so now it went right away. So if you don't have a webcam, then you don't need to set that up. Set up your microphone. Please do that. Make sure that you do that part. Let me see. Okay, let's go back closer. So do that. So set up microphone. You have to click onto allow. And if these pop-ups are not coming out, guys, if you're using, just a note, if you're using the school internet here, you don't need to have those ad blockers and all this kind of stuff. The district does that right from the front gate, so you don't need to have like those extensions of ad blockers. Just delete them, remove them. At home, maybe you want to have them, but deactivate them. So here, as you can see now, you can see the little, whoops, I'll move my mouse. You can see the audio is on. Now I can see embed webcam. I have a webcam, so I can just select that, say yes, FaceTime. And then you click on to record as you did before, okay? So that's to do the screencastify. Probably is gonna be, you need to do the updates. Make sure that you are signed in to Google. If you wanna make sure, so I'm troubleshooting, so some of you will say that's way too much, but anyways, you can rewind and play it, okay? So if you go to the little three dots over here, go to settings. In order to have your extension everywhere you go, is that you have to make sure that you are kind of signed in. If you don't see that little button, it's because you are signing to Gmail. So you're not signing to Google. You want to turn that on because then those extensions will follow you everywhere you go, okay? So that's one thing I noticed. So I did talk to you about the ad blockers. That's good. Now, please do check my other video. If you go to the Lens Turbo, well, actually it's communication, LTCHS News. That's what I'm using right now to put a lot of stuff in there because a lot of you did put the auto reply, and I don't want to fill my inbox with 110 auto reply. So here, you're gonna see that recording station, okay? And then the new whiteboard, that's what I said. I will link that video into the description also, okay? So I think that's it for now. So hopefully Screencastify has done the updates and it's gonna start to work for us.